Alright, what's up guys? This is Sean with CMT Water Housings. We wanted to do a video to show you how to water test your housing once you get it to ensure that your gear is safe. What you're going to need to do this is a cup halfway full of water, a tongue depressor, 2 Alka-Seltzer tabs, your housing, and a port as well as your wing nuts. It's a good idea if you have a flash housing on there or a large over-under port to use 3 Alka-Seltzer tabs versus 2. First thing you want to do is get your port on there. You're going to want to compress the O-ring on there about 1/3 of the way down, or just snug. It's a good idea also to put a paper towel on the bottom of it as you're setting the cup in to ensure you don't scratch the inside of it while you're testing. We have a little nice piece of tape here to sit it so nothing wobbles around. Get your cup inside. And get your popsicle stick off the top and around the rim of the cup, but not sitting across so it's not sitting in the water. And then 2 Alka-Seltzer tabs on top. Once you have everything inside, get your back plate on and tighten your wing nuts. You like to cross tighten them to about a little bit more than snug. You would like to lube the gasket prior to doing that. You just put just a hair of silicone on there before. Just enough to change the color of it, not to where it's wet or anything like that. Now that you have your water housing sealed up, you're going to keep your Alka-Seltzer tabs and be careful to not knock them into the cup prior to getting your back plate sealed on all the way. Now that they're in, give it a little shake and get the Alka-Seltzer into the cup. It will start bubbling and creating pressure inside. Alright, so submerge. And you should notice that there are no leaks. It's normal for the strap to bubble a little bit. Go ahead and pull that guy out, give it a squeeze. And then also fiddle with all of your controls while they're in here. So give them a press. There might be a couple bubbles that come out initially, but it should not be a constant stream of bubbles coming out of there. Also make sure you hit your shutter. And the front controls as well, do not forget them. Hold it under for around a minute and make sure that there are no, if there was a leak, it would come up as a constant stream of bubbles, but in this case it looks like we're pretty good. Once you feel like your housing is safe, it's a good idea to let the pressure out underwater to make sure that it was holding well. So just loosen your wing nuts a little bit. You'll notice that the side will blow out. There you go, that would be what a leak looks like. There you go. You take it out and your water housing should be good to go.